I'm Chef Mike Moses, and welcome to my kitchen. And welcome to the hot days of summer. You know, at this time of year, we find ourselves making a lot of salads, maybe an egg salad or chicken salad. One of the key ingredients you need is mayonnaise. But you don't want that preserved mayonnaise. I'm going to show you how to make a simple mayonnaise coming up. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. I put new videos up right here on my channel every week just for you. Mayonnaise, not as intimidating as you might think. In fact, if you want to make mayonnaise easy, get yourself a food processor. And I've got a special plate here in my food processor. This is for making mayonnaise, actually. It's an emulsifier. So I'll put that in my food processor. To make our mayonnaise, we're going to need 3 egg yolks, about 150 to 200 milliliters of non-reactive oil, like a canola oil, half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and a half a teaspoon of fresh chopped chives. I'm going to add my 3 eggs, my 3 egg yolks, and I'm going to start it spinning. One of the secrets of making an emulsion, especially like mayonnaise, is that you control the amount of oil you're adding at first. The very first 30 seconds, very, very crucial, because you want to make an emulsion and you don't want it to split. So we'll turn it on to number 1. And when you hear the sound of the food processor working a little harder, that means that your mayonnaise is starting to form. All right, let's give it a spin. And we'll start adding our oil very slowly. That would have been funny. All right, let's check on our mayo. This is very creamy. Now that our emulsion has mixed, and I haven't used all the oil, I waited for the mayonnaise basically to, as you can see, very nice and thick. I listened to the sound of the food processor. Once it sounded like it was starting to bog down, then I knew that my mayonnaise was getting made. Now, right now it's just egg yolks and oil. No flavoring whatsoever, so we have to season it up. And first thing we'll do, we'll add some chives, a couple of pinches of salt, some pepper, and I want to kick it up a notch, so I'm going to add a little bit of Dijon mustard. Going to add about, I'm going to add about a half teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And my lemon juice. But I'm not going to add my lemon juice until I have things spinning around again. So put the top back on, set her up, and this time add the juice of half a lemon, no seeds. All right, let's give it a taste, see what we have. Nice. That's a good mayonnaise. It'll be even better when she's cooled. I'll take it off my emulsifying disc while making a mess, like I always do. It's my kitchen, I can make a mess. And we'll put our mayonnaise in a nice little container. And there we have a cup of gorgeous tasting mayonnaise ready to go for the summertime. You can use that on any of your salads or any of your toasts or whatever you would like. An easy, quick way to make mayonnaise. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I post videos like this every week, so please subscribe. Also, if you'd like more information, head over to my blog, thepersonalchef.blog, where I post this recipe that you can print off. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to helping you cook better, eat healthier, and shop smarter.